Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife. And I'll be honest with you, I think we're at entry number 48. Um, if I am mistaken about that number, the right one will be in the title box. But this entry, like I said, number 48, comes from Miss Kathy. Now, you're seeing basically what I saw. This box is definitely open different, but I don't want to show any information, so that's why it's standing wide open like this. So I'm just going to pull it out and remove the box. Let's dig in. She said, Carmen, my first MD. Yeah. You know what? I've had a lot of people who have said it's their first. Either the first MD or the first challenge or the first whatever. And that blesses me so much. She says, okay, let me start over. Carmen, my first MD. Yeah. Been very busy with family staying with me and making easy ornaments. Hope you like them. Thanks, Kathy O. Of course I will, first of all. Second of all, just the thought that, there's so many challenges. I mean, so many challenges going on. I thought they would kind of start slowing down with the holidays coming up, but it doesn't seem to be that way. That being said, thank you each and every one who has chosen to support me and my channel. It means so much. And the ones who decided that it was going to be their first challenge or their first entry or their first MD or the first card or first paper crafting. I've had so many that I feel so grateful that y'all felt comfortable enough and chose to support me and my channel. Because that's what this has been about the whole entire time, is to make sure that people who want to feel comfortable enough to enter. So thank you all so very much. It means so much to me. First, I'm going straight with the blue. I see it. How stinking cute is that? And yes, ma'am, these will go on my tree. I do have my store-bought ornaments, but I still keep my handcrafted items that people have gifted me or my children have made on my tree. That's what makes my tree a little extra special for me. And I am thrilled that you would be willing to send me something like this. And this is gorgeous. So, thank you for that. And I would love to know how in the world you intertwined these blue beads like you did. They are amazing. I just want to make sure that y'all can see without a bunch of glare. It's not gorgeous. Very curious about this one. Oh my gosh, is that a... There's an elephant on it. Oh my goodness. Give me just a second. Let me make sure I don't... Oh, wow. Wow. I've never seen anything like this. Okay, first, she's got it on a gorgeous hook. And then she's got the charms on it, which is a heart, a locket, and a key. And I cannot tell you how special that is to me. Wow. A Virgin Winery. And then it's got this beautiful, beautiful wine cork stop. And I don't know how in the world you've made this. And then she's got the elephant, which y'all know how much I love elephants, because they are such strong, resilient creatures. And I've been told, at least K is for Karen says, if the trunk is facing upward, it's good luck. And oh my, you made all these? I have got to pull this out. Holy moly. Okay, give me just a minute. Let me find out where the opening is. Wow. I'm so amazed. Y'all's talent and y'all's skill is beyond anything I've ever seen. Do you see that? And, I mean, wow. Oh, it's gorgeous. Absolutely. Wow. Seriously, do you bead every one of these and twist the wire like that? I'm just like, hold on. I want to see if y'all can make sure that y'all see that. Can y'all see that good on my desk? Let me zoom you in just a little bit. I apologize. Can you see that? Wow. Okay. I've just never seen anything like these. And I'm telling you, this one right here, I think they're all gorgeous, but that means so much to me. You know, God really works in mysterious ways. I know Sheila said that. That means something even deeper. And, wow. I absolutely love roses. And she said this is her first MD. Honey, that is hard to believe. That is honestly hard to believe. Because that is absolutely gorgeous. She has got it layered up. She's got this pink swirl background paper. She has lined each side up perfectly with the pearls. She's got this old school newspaper in the background. Then she's got it layered up with these green curly cues and swirls. And then she has got this dimensional rose. Can y'all see how dimensional that is? And then it's all glittered up and shaded in just perfectly. Holy moly. And then look, hold on, let me make sure her information's covered up. Okay. Then she's got this gorgeous teapot. I love teapots. This beautiful butterfly, these beautiful flowers, and it says happy birthday in the corner. Oh, I love it so much. And then look at these beautiful trims. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's learn a little bit of something about Miss Kathy. And I hope I don't have to edit that, but I will if I need to. Her name is Miss Kathy. She is Purring Cat 2000. Oh, I was supposed to give something else away. Her birthday is 6/21. Her favorite color is blue. Yay, me too. And then her favorite store, one having sales. I understand that. Her style, she just loves to create. And her $5 item, she loves surprises. Does that say love horses and foxes? Okay. Okay, I love that. I love that. So is it, okay, you tell me, is it that you love horses and foxes in real life? So do you own horses? Or is it that you just love like horse stickers and foxes and just wildlife in general, paper and ephemera and that kind of thing? Let me know. I'd like to, know as much about you as possible. But my goodness, do y'all see this sweet note and this gorgeousness that she has handmade? Y'all just don't know how much these handmade items mean something to me. They just really are. To have a piece of your handmade items, your artwork, your talent, your skill, and each and every one is so individual. It means the world to me. And again, it amazes me how y'all may not know stories behind my life, but for some reason, God has y'all send me what I need at that moment. And I really needed this. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Thank you all. Y'all bless me. My gosh, y'all bless me so much. Thank you. And from the bottom of my soul, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I honestly wish you the best always.